Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change file download location in Epic Games Store. First of all, open Epic Game. Go into its library. Click to install the game. Choose the folder where you want to install the game. Then, click on the Install button. Open this PC and go into Local Disk C. From the Program Files, click on the Epic Games folder. In this folder, you can see the folder name as Valorant. Copy all the files from it. Then paste them in Valorant. Go back to Valorant and delete all the files from here. Also, delete its folder. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.